Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, daytime running lights, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, footwell lights, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, child safety locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.